When it comes to heat press solutions, AM.CO offers a wide range of options. From this handheld heat press here, to this dual head pneumatic heat press. So, in this video, I'm going to show you all about it. Let's start off with the standalone unit. Let's start off with the handheld heat press over here. Now, this is more durable for, the small prints. So you want to put a logo on your shirt, a logo on the side of your sleeves. And in fact, think about it. You can actually start a business with this small baby right here. And just like it, we have a bigger size version of it over here. And with this bigger size handheld heat press, because it allows you a wider printing area than the small one, you can pretty much press on t-shirts, bags, and the likes. And that's it with your handheld heat presses. And now, next. So the next standalone that I'm going to show you will be the Tumblr Press. As the name suggests, this unit is made for pressing on tumblers, flasks, and the likes. This unit comes with a new improved handle, which is solid and very durable. And then next up is the standalone cap press. This unit also comes with a nice strong durable handle, which works off a hydraulic release system as well. And that's the standalones. Now next is the multifunction Heatware heat press. And as you can see, this unit comes with a swing away station for heat pressing on t-shirts and other garments. Also comes with an attachment port for easy release, so you can attach any of the other ones. And as you can see, it comes with so many attachment options. For example, this pen press over here, it simply gets plugged onto the main unit. Then there is different sizes for plate press attachments. We have a cap attachment, and there's even a shoe press attachment. And of course, a mark press attachment. And the mark press unit comes with various attachments for different sizes and shapes of marks. So with the multifunction option, you have a wide range of choices. In fact, I want you to go to the Achievement Matters video channel. Type in multifunction heat press on the search bar, and there's a wide variety of videos there for you to enjoy. I know that you've already got some ideas on how to start your own business from what I've already shown you. And knowing you, you are always gonna grow. And when you do, I've got more options for you. Check this out. So this pneumatic dual head heat press, it works on a double station system. And what does that mean? No, it doesn't press simultaneously on both stations, but it does allow you time to prepare your other shirts while the other shirt is pressing on the other side. Now, when it's on the auto switch, immediately when it's done and you move it over to the other side, it senses that it's in position already, and then it automatically presses itself down while it buys you time to be fixing another shirt on the other side. And actually, check this out. This heat press comes with a crosshead laser light to help you align and center your prints while you are pressing from side to side. So, how does this pneumatic dual heat press unit move up and down? Well, it does require a compressor. And lucky for you, AM.CO does have stock of that as well. So this is more suitable for bulk production. What size does this come in? This one here is a 600 by 400 working area. Believe it or not, we also stock the 600 by 800. Now that's amazing. Speaking of which, should you want to grow your business even further than that, Yes, we do also stock the sublimation roller heat press. Just go to the Achievement Matters page and on the search option, search the sublimation roller heat press to find out more about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And just remember, on the Achievement Matters page, there are hundreds of videos just like this one here. So, enjoy!
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.